Mampanyini John Mahama and so the yaso apim form Amahokwan say dodo wa finya do we nya kwantempon contractors in Shasi no mo enye so nsiesie we no wo hwe no mo so betumi awie ni nyina no abosom aduonu we na yentem ni nyina no e ka ne big push hyehyɛ ya wode agu akwam na ho Omampanyin John Mahama ene riseso akwakobo mu a dodowa afienya dowenya ekwan no wono mo erebe hyehyɛ so dendenden ahwese wono mo betumi akora no we nyina eka aban big push initiative no eho a wode hwese yana kwan ahodo betumi asiesie na ayekama aboa ewo akwanese nyina eso.
There are few wheelbarrow contractors who have come to me. Oh, I hear they're distributing projects under the big push. I want one. I said, my friend, this is not for wheelbarrow contractors. You are my friend, but I won't give you because it's not for wheelbarrow contractors. On this road, as I said, is Oswald Investments Limited. And I can say with my hand on my heart that he's one of our best local contractors. The good thing is he works with speed. He works very fast, but he doesn't compromise quality. And so I want to assure the people of Dodowa, Fienya, Dawenya that you have on your road one of the best Ghanaian contractors doing your road.
We know Mampanyisa need to just say wa fimpino no duonu nsia kwa masika no wono mo beyi 30 billion cedis ede aboa big push initiative yi se ne be ya ene ma hodo a ehia ewo yempotem wo betumi ede aye.
This year the Minister of Finance on my instruction put aside 13.9 billion cedis, almost 14 billion for the big push alone. Much of that money has not been used yet because we were still packaging and going through procurement. And so we're going to roll over that money to next year. And next year we're going to add 30 billion cedis to the 14 billion cedis.